Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing ELAC's brand new Uni-Fi 2.0 series bookshelf speakers, the UB52. This is a three-way bookshelf speaker with a tweeter, a coaxial mid-range and then a separate mid-bass driver. It means that from a physically small footprint you get a prestigious amount of sound and a really low, deep control of bass, which is absolutely unheard of in a speaker of this physical size, and certainly unheard of for something of its price. So, wonderful to share it with you today. Firstly, all of the packaging in this sort of area is very, very basic and muted. Black screen printing on a brown box, and on one end serial numbered information and a scan code. Opening it's very straightforward. It's a simple packing tape. Which reveals simply the basic information about the range. There's only 3 speakers in the range, a bookshelf, a floor stander and a centre speaker, and there's 2 colour options, black and white. In the top we've got a couple of decimal bags, and the easiest at this point is to roll the speaker over and lift the box off the speakers rather than trying to get the speaker out of the box. You'll see the other half of the moulded polystyrene. Now, as each speaker is essentially identical, we're concentrating on just one today. Get rid of that and put this off to one side. Again, carefully rolling it over. Off comes the polystyrene. The inner bag is taped closed with a little piece of sellotape. A simple nick and away we go. At this point we get to have a look at the black ash veneer that is utilised in these speakers. It's a combination of what we saw in ELAC's debut range and some of the cabinet design that we see in the Uni-Fis. These have tried to utilise very, very stiff, very, very well braced cabinets, but with that reduce its production cost by utilising a cheaper sort of material. The end result from a physics perspective and quality of sound, it means it sounds extraordinarily good, and so I can forgive them for any compromises they may have made with the cabinet itself. Now the speaker comes with the grille on. It's not very deep, it's not very wide, and it's not very tall given its performance. The back of the speaker has a set of traditional binding posts. These are a 5-way binding post, and scanner information again in a scan code about its serial number and model number. Taking the grille off, we see that a piece of cardboard has been utilised to help protect the speaker and ensure that should there be any pressure applied to the grille in transit, that it's not going to rub or mark on the speaker. The grille is made from acoustically transparent cloth and then a honeycomb shape to ensure that the grille is tight across all of the surface. There is an iconic now ELAC logo in the bottom of the grille. Moving that protective piece of cardboard, it's done its job. We then see a unique configuration. Again, I highlight the fact that this is a 3-way bookshelf. It has a dome tweeter protected behind a honeycomb shaped cover, a coaxial mid-range. It's approximately 1 inch or 25mm tweeter, approximately 100mm mid-range driver, and then 130mm mid-bass. There's a centralised port. Now, actually back to this. The driver technology in this is absolutely perfect. The voice coils and other things that we can't see have been totally re-engineered to support a new driver construction. It's wonderful to see that even at this very tight, very budget price point, ELAC has freed up some of their R&D to ensure that these speakers can sound very, very good. Again, there's a centralised port and of course the 4 sort of bungs for the grille. There's no pre-tap anywhere for a stand, although these could be relatively easily wall mounted from the rear if you're able to pre-drill them. Okay, so there we have it. ELAC's brand new Uni-Fi 2.0 series of speakers, the UF53, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.